Welcome my amazing subscribers to Ovamba today. So today daily cipher code is swap, and the S is ... or you can call it short, and W is ... or you can call it short long. The A is short, the P is short long dot. So let's do it. Now for the S ... we go. Now the next is ... let's go. ... Now the A is ... so let's go. ... and the P is ... yeah, so take your prize, just tap on it. So here we have it for today. You've claimed your 1 million. Check back in few hours for the next update.